Hey beauties, it's Riri, and today's video is my Boxycharm and my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of October. This month's theming is Beauty Nightmares. Our beauty traumas unite us and remind us that our mistakes and misadventures are just part of our journey to self-expression. This Halloween, we're celebrating the weird and wonderful in all of us and exploring the magic of transformation with everything you need to slay spooky season. And there is our card. I love October, I love Halloween, I love all things spooky season. Our glam bag is 5 deluxe beauty sample products. We get to choose one product as a subscriber, and I do still get my paid for bag. It is worth up to $70 and it is $14 monthly. Our Boxycharm is 5 full-size beauty products. We get to choose 3 products as subscribers. It is worth up to $200 and it is $30 monthly. I will be doing things a little differently this month because if you can tell, I am still very sick, so I'm just going to be doing the unboxing this month. I do try to demo as many products as I can for you guys, especially with choice and stuff like that. Choice is open, so you can go make your choice today. But I do not want to put anything on my face while I am sick, and I know that I look horrible, so I'm very sorry. First, I'm going to go into the OG Ipsy Glam bag. And I do not get spoilers for myself. I still like to be surprised and stuff like that. And this is basically that. This video is, you know, your sneak peek into what we could possibly get in our glam bags for the month. I love the bag. That is so freaking pretty. It has like a crystal ball zipper pull. Oh, yes, I love that. And then traditionally with your Ipsy Glam bag, you will get a little informational card. It will tell you the theming, and then usually we will have pertinent details on what the products are, how to use them, and pricing and stuff like that. So I'm going to go into the Ipsy Glam bag first. Right on top, I have the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. Next up is the Toyco, the Mini Oat Bay Hyaluronic Oat Milk Oil Makeup Remover. Next is the Dew of the Gods, the Sorbet Mini Hyaluronic Lip Butter in Strawberry Mandarin. That sounds incredible. Now, we've really been seeing quite a few products from Dew of the Gods recently. Next up is the Beauty For Real, the Define Lip Liner in the shade Neutral. And then last up in my OG bag is some bubble wrap. We know that always means makeup. And this is the Moon Slice Beauty, a blush in the shade Beautiful. And I've actually been kind of seeing Moon Slice Beauty. I'm not very familiar with them, but I've seen them in quite a few subscription boxes very recently. So if you do have experience with the brand, please let me know. And it is a beautiful kind of soft pink. All right, so if you are super into makeup, I'm not quite sure that you'd be like completely blown away. We did get our little blush, we got a lip liner, we got our lip butter, and then we got our oil makeup remover, and then the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I have tried this before. I am not a fan. And I kind of feel like oftentimes I feel that way with more like luxury or bougie skincare, makeup-y type products, because to me personally, they're a little bit over-scented. Next up, I'm going to go into the Boxycharm by Ipsy, which should have been called Ipsy Charm. Just saying. And this is 5 full-size products. These are gifted to me too through Ipsy, so I just want to thank Ipsy also for gifting. We have our little informational card here. And first thing that I'm seeing right on top is the Tovegan, the Green Glow Up Cream, Color Food Series. I'm not quite sure what that is. I'm just assuming that it is a moisturizer. Next up is the Klairs New York, the Advanced Serum with Vitamin C. It says 94% natural, brightening, minimizes enlarged pores, and corrects uneven skin tone. Next is the Tarte Blush Tape Liquid Blush. I did receive the shade Peach. Next up is the Kevyn Aucoin, the Unforgettable Lipstick in the shade Modern Love, and it is in a cream. Ooh, I think I'm gonna love that. And as soon as I'm feeling better, you guys, I can revisit the products that I know that I'll use. I just don't want to use anything right now while I am sick. And then last up in here is also in bubble wrap, so of course that means makeup. It is a really beautiful palette, the Eloise Goddess palette. And this says, indulge in the divine allure of our Goddess pigment palette, where every shade embodies ethereal beauty and timeless elegance. We shall see. Oh, very pretty. Not blowing my socks off, if I'm being completely honest. But it is really pretty. I've never tried anything, I don't believe, from Eloise Beauty. I was kind of hoping for more, I don't know. I wanted more things that we can maybe use to, you know, do grunge looks, to do Halloween type looks. This does look really beautiful though. If you guys want to see a look with this, let me know and I will do a look for you guys. So we have our palette. We got a couple of skincare goodies. We got our Tarte blush tape, and then we also got a lipstick. Not blowing my socks off, but I like the variation here. And I do like that as we're kind of going into cooler months, they are opting to give us a little bit more skincare. I like skincare. I'm personally a lover of skincare. And I do like that we got a palette. I wish that they would go back to kind of more old school boxy, if you will, where we got a palette in every single box. I feel like that was kind of one of their kind of main selling points, in my opinion. And as somebody that is a consumer, yes, I get this in PR, but I still pay for subscription boxes as well. And I'm still a consumer of makeup. So I think for this month, I'm going to give the selection a 4 out of 5 yellow hearts. I like it, but I'm not blown away. I would have loved to seen something just darker, deeper, more grungy. Maybe something that we could use to do like Halloween type makeup and stuff like that with it. But it's okay. And I understand that not everybody's into spooky season or, you know, grungy looks or darker looks and stuff like that. But if you've tested any of these, let me know. What should I keep? What should I try out, you guys? Let me know. I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you to my beautiful channel members. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.